people thought that I'm still doing it and he's just there, but the fact is he was doing 99% of the things. The most important things are bowling change.
आप भले ही अपने आप को 43, 44 मानते हो, लेकिन ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ आपको यंग विकेट कीपर ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं। मुझे याद है एक मैच के बाद उन्होंने ऐसा कहा था। जी, ऋतुराज हैड प्लेंटी ऑफ थिंग्स टू से टू यू। हमारे ही नेटवर्क पे ऋतुराज ने ये कहा था, मैं आपको सुनाना चाहूंगा।
He definitely said one thing, whatever you do, it's your own decisions, it's your own responsibility to take care after everything. So I'm not going to interfere in anything. Just the field angles, if I think that somewhere it's slightly 50-50, I will definitely help in that. But he also mentioned that make sure that it's not a compulsion that if I tell you something you have to follow that. You can still take up your own decisions.
जिस तरीके से ये सक्सेशन हुआ है चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स में, why ऋतुराज?
You look at the long-term picture. More often than not, batsmen who are part of you do well for you. They are the ones who you can bang for a longer period. With fast bowlers and with bowlers and around, the tendency to get injured is also there. So Ritu has been part of us for quite some time. He has done well for us. His temperament is very good. He's very calm, very composed. Him is good for us. And yes, the first time itself when we met, I actually told him almost immediately after IPL that 90% you will lead in the next season. So mentally start preparing yourself. And before the start of the tournament, I said, if I'm supposed to give you any advice, if I'm giving you advice, doesn't mean you have to do it. First and foremost, I would try to stay away. So even when the tournament was happening, a lot of people said maybe I'm doing all the background and this and that, but all the decisions were his. The only thing I said was I have a very good idea about the angles when it comes to the field. So you tell me you want a deep point. According to the batsman, wicket and the bowler, I will set where it needs to be. So that's why you'll see a lot of hand moving, this, that and all that. Being a wicket keeper, especially if the captain is fielding on the outside, they need a point, a focal point. So you have to move around and get the attention of the player. So that's why people thought that, I'm still doing it and he's just there. But the fact is, he was doing 99% of the things. The most important things are bowling changes, and if you want to bowl with a deep point or a deep square leg, all of that was his decision. I was just helping him out. And I think he did a good job. He did a brilliant job of handling the players.
लेकिन वो कैप्टेंसी की इंस्टिंक्ट्स कभी-कभी टेक ओवर कर जाती हैं। और दूसरी चीज ये कि DRS का नाम डिसीजन रिव्यू सिस्टम होगा, लेकिन फैंस के लिए तो धोनी रिव्यू सिस्टम है। तो कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार नहीं, रिव्यू तो मुझे ही लेना है।
नहीं, अगर आप रिव्यू की पर्टिकुलरली बात करो तो कीपर इज ऑलवेज इन द बेस्ट पोजीशन. कैप्टन कोई भी हो, पूछता वो विकेट कीपर से ही है. एंड सेकंड, इवन इफ द कीपर डज अ रेफरल, द अंपायर वोंट एक्सेप्ट इट. द कैप्टन हैज टू डू इट.
But are the umpires looking at you sometimes?
I don't know, because I know where I am looking. I'm looking at my captain. So if a referral needs to be taken, I would immediately tell him that yes, why not. But certain times you have to ask the bowler also. And the best is, the bowler, they are always like, out है, ले लो. And the moment you ask them, अच्छा ये बता अगर पैड में इस तरफ लगा है कि थोड़ा लेफ्ट पे लगा है, उतना हमें आइडिया नहीं है. I'm like, अगर लेफ्ट में लगा है तो आउट है, राइट में लगा है तो आउटसाइड ऑफ है. So when you try to put them in a difficult position, they're like, I'm not sure, but out है. So it becomes very tricky. And now imagine if you're the captain who is at long off or deep cover, it becomes even more difficult for them to quickly assess, within 15 seconds whether to take the referral or not.
So Dhoni review system is still with Ruturaj pretty much.
The final call is his.
Is his?
But yeah, usme I would say there's a veto that I'm not convinced, but up to you.